Tunapatikana nayo nigo munyausola yote yoromo na chebina kurwase ekigambiro gya Kisii aberega kora umuroberio bw'amasabo yo kumunyora umuna chebina Monica Kivuti oyobetega koraswa ase ekigambiro kya Makadara achitariki 14 cy'umutinyo ga ogatano narimo imeye county ya Nairobi ase babere bakumurera Kivuti ase oyobetega koraswa nako sire bugima bwaye chingaki agenderete konyora obowenia ase enyagitari.
You already can start.
Good afternoon. Today we have congregated here at the Kisii Court, just as other courts throughout the country are, to remember and commemorate the life of our dear Honorable Monica Kivuti, who served as a principal magistrate in Makadara Law Court. Through an unfortunate incident that happened on the 13th of June this year, she was shot and she succumbed to the injuries that she sustained, leading to her death. This is an extremely unfortunate incident that happened while she was dispensing justice. It is in fact an abominable act, should not be condoned by Kenyans, and should be condemned in the strongest terms possible. In the preamble to the Constitution, Kenyans aspire that they would live in a society guided by the rule of law. In Article 159 of the Constitution, Kenyans
ase chingaki chiboigo nigo ekigambiro kya molo kyaberege kora umuroberio bw'amasabo yo kumuinyora Kivuti muroberio nanyana bokora n'umuna chebina omonene Justice Mother Kome asabange babere bakumurera Monica Kivuti na otanigo airwete kegima asobokorerio buya asensemo yekigambiro kya Makadara.
My sister Monica, you demonstrated such diligence and commitment to duty. It is very difficult for me to think that we will not have someone to look to for opening prayers and closing prayers during our gatherings, because that's who you are. You are a woman of faith, and the entire Makadara fraternity rode on that faith that you had. It's hard for me to imagine how we will miss your thoughtful counsel and the firm positions that you took on matters that were at hand, not afraid to express your view even when it conflicted with what all the rest of us had. I knew your commitment to both family at home, and I knew that especially when you had to travel to your sister's wedding and wondering how it was going to be and how the family was going to be, how the little girl was going to cope. I also know that you had a commitment to your professional family here at Makadara, and I say that without fear of contradiction, because as you've had my friends say here, all those things are true. I know the pain that you have left among us as JOs here, judicial officers. Your triplets, court number 10 and 11, and all the rest of us individual officers. I also know the place that you had in the hearts of the members of staff, and surely you have left a gap that cannot be filled. As your head of station, I knew I had a pillar, and I knew I had a dependable team player. You are a team player.